Hot Wheels Dodge D100 Feet 87 is an interesting collection that must be owned by Hot Wheels fans. With call number 181 250th, this Hot Wheels was produced in 2023 and belongs to the famous Baja Blazers 1/10 series. This car comes in a charming dark pink Metalflake color, complemented by dark blue, white and red striped tampo on the hood and sides of the car. There are also the numbers 100 inches, the BFGoodrich logo, the Dodge and Hot Wheels logos, and the words MOPAR on the hood and sides of the car. The bottom of the car is made of tan plastic, while the car windows are smoke tint and the interior is black. Wheels with the muddy gold BLOR type add a tough impression to this Hot Wheels Dodge D100 Feet 87. The code for this toy car is HKG73 and is produced in Malaysia. The variations and notes regarding Hot Wheels include base codes S13, S14,